Hello Techies. In this session, I'm going to introduce you a new suite of AI powered tools that can help your business work more efficiently and effectively. That is Duet AI for Google Workspace. What is Duet AI for Google Workspace? Google Workspace was built to allow us to collaborate in real time with other people. Now we can collaborate with artificial intelligence AI. Google Workspace has been embedding the power of generative AI across all the Workspace apps, includes Gmail Business Email, Documents Word Processing, Drive Cloud Storage, Shareable Calendars, Meet Video Conferences, and many more. Google has launched Duet AI for Google Workspace, a generative AI productivity tool. Duet AI for Google Cloud is an always-on AI collaborator that provides help to users of all skill levels where they need it. With the help of generative AI, Google Workspace help us write, help us organize, help us visualize, help us accelerate workflows, and help us to get things done at work and in their lives, including client outreach emails, job applications, project plans, and so much many more. This powerful new way of working is what we are calling Duet AI for Google Workspace. Duet AI for Workspace builds Google's latest innovations in generative AI capabilities into the brand's comprehensive productivity suite. Duet AI is an powered assistant in Google Cloud. Duet AI is an AI-powered collaborator available across Google Cloud and IDEs to help us to get more done faster.